Hello everyone, today I will show you how to increase maximum volume on iPhone speaker. So look here, this is a volume limit. Select maximum. So at first open iPhone settings, click on to general, to software update, make sure to update your iOS 18. So I am already update my iOS 18.2 and open settings again, scroll down, click on to sound and haptics, to scroll down and then showing it to volume limit, just click on at first enable and you can easily increase or decrease from here. Maximum limit 90% or 20%. So that's it, that's how you can do it.